my favorite time of the year to get out and fly. There's no mosquitoes. We have a lot of different green colors in the trees. So the first thing I'm going to do is fly my old trusty QAV-R with race flight. And then I'm going to try something completely different, which is a new build I did of a QAV-X running Betaflight 403, I think. Yeah, like the latest Betaflight build as of today. See how it stacks up against the old race flight. QAV-X feels really tight in the air. I was really nervous. I'm always nervous whenever I'm flying a new build. And plus I had a bug crawling on my neck the whole time. So I guess there are bugs out here. It was really a nice and tight flight. It felt similar to race flight, but I guess maybe my tune is looser. In race flight I use Whisper or something like that tune. Flew really nice and smooth. I guess we'll just have to see how the video footage looks. See if it's nice and smooth. Those 2207s have a lot of power. Cobra 2207, 2450 or something like that. They rock. QAV-X. And one other thing I should mention is I've been flying what they call the toilet tank mount, where the battery is mounted perpendicular to the frame. Yeah, this thing is just awesome tuning tonight, so we'll see how the video footage turns out. If it's nice and smooth, this will probably be my new favorite drone.